Kuwait's ambassador to Washington, Sheikh Salem Abdullah Al-Sabah, stressed that Kuwaiti citizens and students living in eastern and northern states in the US are safe following heavy snowstorms which struck the country in the past few days. In a statement to Kuna, Sheikh Salem Al-Abdullah said the embassy was following up closely and was in touch with the Kuwaiti citizens and students in the areas affected by the storm. The ambassador added that such efforts were taking place in coordination and cooperation with the Cultural Office and the National Union of Kuwaiti Students, US branch. Meanwhile, Sheikh Salem Al-Abdullah said the embassy did not receive any call regarding an emergency situation of a Kuwaiti national. The ambassador then affirmed the importance of following instructions issued by US local authorities, adding that the embassy remains on standby to receive enquiries from citizens who live in the affected areas through the provided hotline and the embassy's Cultural Office contact information as follows. The embassy contact information is 001 202 262 0758. The Cultural Office is 001 202 364 2104.